Hey, John here from John's Do It Yourself. I built a lot of custom shadow boxes, and instead of using glass, which is very difficult to cut, I used plexiglass. Plexiglass has its benefits. It's very easy to cut, but it also has its drawbacks. It scratches really easy. So what I thought I'd do is a review on a product called Rolite Scratch Removal System. Now, I actually have a project right now that I have a scratch on. And so we're going to be using this on a live project, not just like when you go on to YouTube and you see people putting the scratch on a piece of acrylic and then they clean it up and get it polished and pretty for you. So this is actually going to be used on an actual project that I've done to see if I can rescue it. So let's get busy. As you can see, I have a nice little scratch on my Florida shadow box. Now this is not really a deep scratch, but definitely noticeable when looking at it at an angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe it down with a lint-free cloth just to clean anything that might be laying on the acrylic. The dust I try to rub out with my finger is actually on the inside of the box, so I will Windex that later. Okay, this is a 3-step process, but since I believe this is a very minor scratch, I am going to jump right to bottle number 2, which is labeled medium cut. I don't want to overdo it with the heavy cut, which is bottle number 1. I put just a dab on, probably more than I needed to here, but then I just follow the instructions of rubbing it into the scratch in a circular motion. So instead of speeding up this video, I wanted you to see this in real time so you get a feel for how much effort I really put into this. So this was all the rubbing that I needed to do to get the scratch to disappear with just one application. And remember, this is the second bottle, the medium scratch remover. So I thought I'd play a little bit of elevator music while you get to watch me work. As you can see, after the first application, that this scratch is completely gone. So I decided to use the third bottle, which was the fine cut and final step, just in case there is any kind of polish or protection in the third bottle. It did kind of give it a great shine when I was done. So my final review of this product is an A+. I want to point out that I am in no way affiliated with Rolite or its company, and I purchased this product online myself to see if I could rescue the shadow box. If you're interested in this product, I have posted a link in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.